So today we are really proud to present you this new R4 hybrid power robots. Today it's super important to see the high value crops as being core within our New Holland company, and this R4 is really a good example of our leadership into high value crops.
We have focused on our customers, so we have different features accommodating to them. For instance, for orchards, we can do double passing. We can work on reverse mode. So we are adapting to what our customer needs with different features also on the 3-point hitch. We'll start to see it all over the world in 2027. So we have one more year to continue working on it.